Want quick access to your OneDrive files but not sure how to log in? Today, I'll show you exactly how to sign into your OneDrive account through the web, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to log in with confidence, but how to navigate straight to your OneDrive files anytime and from any device, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Let's dive in together. First, we'll need to open OneDrive in your web browser. This is as simple as typing OneDrive.com into your browser's address bar, so go ahead and do that now. Once the page loads, you'll probably see the familiar Microsoft logo and a clean-looking sign-in page. If you landed somewhere else, no worries, just make sure you're on the right site before going further. Think of the browser as the gatekeeper to your OneDrive storage. It's how you get to all your files without needing any special software. Next, go ahead and click the Sign In button. It's usually right in the center or towards the top right. This part should feel pretty familiar, like signing into an email or social media account, but remember, you're about to access your cloud storage, so security is important here. Now type in your username. For most people, this will be your Microsoft email address, the one you used to create your OneDrive or Microsoft account. Take a second here to make sure you type it correctly. A simple typo can trip you up later. If you're using a business or school account, it's often your work or school email address. Once you've entered your email, click Next. You're halfway there. Alright, now it's time to enter your password. This is the key to your digital locker, so make sure you enter it carefully. If you accidentally enter the wrong password, don't worry, Microsoft will let you have another try. If you can't remember your password, there's always the Forgot Password link below, so help is just a click away. When you're ready, click Next. At this stage, you might see a prompt asking, "Stay signed in." Microsoft does this for convenience. If you click Yes, your browser will remember your login, so you won't need to sign in every time in the future. If you're on a personal computer, feel free to click Yes to save a little time next time you visit. But if you're on a shared or public computer, I'd recommend clicking No to keep your account secure. Now that you're logged in, let's find OneDrive. Look at the very top left corner of the page. You'll notice an icon made up of 9 little dots in a square grid. This is called the App Launcher. Imagine it like a menu button on your smartphone, giving you quick access to all your Microsoft services in one place. Click those 9 dots. A menu will pop out showing icons for different Microsoft apps. Find and click the OneDrive logo. It typically looks like a blue cloud. And there you go, you're now inside your OneDrive with all your files and folders right at your fingertips. Logging in can feel a bit daunting if it's your first time, but once you know these steps, you can access your files from anywhere with an internet connection just by repeating this process. Thanks so much for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Catch you in the next one.